Hi, welcome to Kadira, and I'm Arunada. I'll help you to get familiarized with the Kadira UI and get most out of it. The first, you are looking at the dashboard section, and it's simply what's happening exactly at your application, one of the most important metrics and graphs. If you need to learn more about one of these graphs, just click on this inline help bubble and you can learn about what's happening here and read more information about if you need more clarification. And then you can go to the pub subsection and it will tell you what's happening inside your application in terms of publication. You can, this is the overview page, and you can go to detail view section and find out more information about your publication. For an example, this is the list of publication available in your application, and you can click on one publication and learn more about it. And for an example, this is the response type graph. I can click on some point, so I can get some of the trace subscriptions calls, and I can click this one and then tell you what really happened at that time. So I started at this point and then blah 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 blah. I can do a lot of things based on them. I can, if there's some error, I can debug that as well. And then we can go to the method section. It's very similar to the publish and subscribe, but instead show the data for your methods. And I can go to the detail view. I can go to the same process, like I can go to the click on some method and I can click and analyze a trace. It's very similar to the publication, and right, and I can, there's a error section as well. If there are some errors, and I can trace them as well. Okay, this is about the graphs and matrix. Then I'll tell you the time range selection and time jump. You can go to the previous mode, you can go to the next, previous, and same time if you need to come back to the live mode, you can click this icon and simply jump into the live mode. And if you also can go to some exact time given date and time by selecting the time from here. All right, that's about the time. This is the main UI, what you need to know about right now. And if you need more information or more clarification, just click on this bubble and just type some question and ask us. We are really we are really ready for you to help. Right, and then so using the Kadira and tuning up your application is a separate section. So that's why we created the academy. By going to the Kadira Academy, to tell some of the important steps that you need to you can use with your application and tune your application. For an example, there's a section for the improving CPU and network usage. I'm going to do that one, and it will tell you some of the media internals you need to know. At the same time, how you can track that with that matrix and information with Kadira, and what are the fixes you can apply to your application. So I think that's it for the today. And if you need to rewatch this video, I have already sent it to your email. You can repeat back. Thank you and have a nice time with Kadira.